So I'm working on a way of getting my Arduino to read signals off of Midi. And what this is going to be used for is it'll be hooked up to a DMX interface, meaning I can interface it with all sorts of stage lighting or whatever. In this case, I think we're going to hook it up to some torches, which will be really fun. Well, anyway, I was working on that, which will, the intent for this is the torches, but I wanted to see what the latency was that I was getting between reading a signal on Midi and detecting it in the Arduino. So my friend Boots left some really cool LED strip here for another project that we're working on, but I figured I'd hook it up to my Midi interface and see how it looks. And this is how it looks. The sound is coming out of my Mac, so the sound is it's kind of high latency, but the events aren't. So when you press a key, you get a color. Right now, it's just generating random colors. So if I just press a key down, it detects key down and key up events. That's kind of how Midi works. So when it detects key down, it'll generate a random color and send it down the strip. So if you see, I'm pressing the same key, but it's kind of generating this pretty rainbow. That's just because it's a random. It generates a random 0 to 255 value on the R, G, and B channels. But yeah, that'll be mapped instead of triggering colors down a strip to different channels on DMX or different values on DMX or however it's set up. Anyway, the latency, if you can see, is very low, so should work really good.